Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can log out emo and delete the emo account, and how you can create a emo channel and how you can manage the emo channel very easily. And also I will show you how you can share emo ID to anyone from the Vimo account. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the emo and then you will see the option of contact. Click here and you will see the option of channel. Click here and you will see that I have already created a channel here. So when I will click here and you will see the options of contact, and here I can send my channel ID to anyone's. So when I will click on plus options, and here I can add any contact in the my channel. So when I will click on contact and you will see OK options, click here, and in this way this contact has been added in the group. So after that you will see greeting message options. So greeting message is that message when any new member will come in your channel, he will receive this message. So after writing, and here you can write any greeting message. For example, I am writing welcome to our channel, welcome to our channel. So here you can write any greeting message. After that you will click on OK options. So in this way, when you will write greeting message, any new member or any new contact or new friends which comes into your channels, he will receive that message. So after that you will see content protection. If you want to turn it on, then you can enable it. So content in protection, it's mean when enable it, other cannot share or not download resources from your channel. So only they can download file, but he cannot download images, video from your channel. So in this way you can set privacy of your channel. So if you want to show your channel owner, then click on here. So if you don't want to show your owner, then click here, and in this way you can turn off the owner of this channel. So in this way you can set privacy on the owner of the channel. So if you want to share your channel, then you will see the option of share, and you will see if you want to share on the WhatsApp, Facebook, and my contact. So then click on, for example, I want to share it in the WhatsApp. So click on WhatsApp, and then you will see the option of WhatsApp, and then you can send it according to you. So in this way you can see my channel link has been sent to this person. So in this way you can share the channel to any member, any friends, or anywhere. So you will see the option of post. When you will click on post options, and you will see the option of messages or call. When you will click on file, and you will see your audio and video document apps, and select the that audio video document which you want to post. After selecting the audio video and document, then click here, and you will see I am selecting, for example, this video. Then I will click on share options. So you can see this post will be published. So in this way you can manage your channel on the email. So if you want to delete it, then after publishing, then you will see that my post has been published. So if I want to delete it, you will see the when you will press and hold it, and you will see the option of delete, then you can delete your post from here. So when you will click on delete, so in this way your post will be deleted on the Immo channel. So after that you will see the option of profile icon. So when you will click on profile icon, click on here profile icon, and then you will see the option of setting and security and privacy. Click on security and privacy options, and then you will see a lot of options in this page. So you can see chat and call privacy, invisible friends, family guards, passcode lock. So you can search any one according to you. So after that you will see the option of setting, and you will see the option of setting, and here you can see account and security options. Click on here. So when you will click on here, you can set passcode lock, login protection. If you want to set two-step verification on the imo account, that no one can open your imo account without your permission, or if anyone try to log an imo account, then it will ask about your two-step verification or code. So without that code which you have set on the two-step verification, will not open that account. So in this way you can set two-step verification on the imo accounts. It's very helpful for security. So if you want to change phone number, then click on phone number, change phone number, and here you can also change your contact number very easily, because sometimes we want to change our contact number, so and we want that our new contact will be on the imo. So in this way you can change your contact on the imo. After that you will see the option of logout. When you will click on logout, and here you will see the option of logout. When you will click on logout, so in this way your emo account will be logout. So in this way you can manage your channel, and you can add two-step verification and log out on the imo. So I hope this video very helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.